Hi, I'm Sammi from Australia. We just spent the day at Big Banana. It was really cool. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot funner than I thought it would be. We started off doing tobogganing down the hill. We did that a few times and that was really good with everyone. Yeah, that was a lot of fun, and the prices were pretty cheap to do that as well, so you can do it with, a couple of times with friends, or you can take your kids there. Even the young ones can go with you down the toboggan. After that we went to the ice skating rink, that was good. It was a decent sized rink and the sessions were for a couple of hours. They had little racks for the younger kids who were learning to skate, even though I might have needed one as well. But they did have those so you can learn to skate, which was good. That was helpful. The staff were really friendly and helpful with all the sizes for your shoes and things like that, to get you on the ice. So that part was good. And then after that we went to the Inflatable water park area, which is it's like a bunch of inflatable slides and play equipment and stuff, and that was a lot of fun for big kids and little kids as well. And then we went up to the cafe and we had one of their famous chocolate coated bananas, which were really good, and we had a walk through the banana plantation and got to see and read about how it was it's all grown and have a look at the bananas. That was really good.